Hi, this is Dan Encell, Berkshire Hathaway. Today is Monday, July 6th. We are a little more than halfway through the year, so I'm going to give a breakdown on what's happening nationwide in the first half of the year. Then we're going to move to more what's happening locally right now. So, first half of the year. The real estate market pretty much across the board is doing well nationwide. Some parts of the country are doing better than others, but overall doing pretty well. Interest rates hovering just right around slightly below 4%, so they're still very, very low historically. During May, we saw the highest number of home sales there's been in the last 6 years, so it seems to be gaining some momentum. Many segments of the market are suffering from inventory shortages right now, so we're seeing increased number of sales and declining inventories, which tends to be pushing up prices in most parts of the country. Right now, overall, prices are up about 9% compared to a year ago. Overall sales activity up about 10% compared to a year ago. So again, very strong market nationwide. The segments of the market that seem to be the strongest are the West and the Northeast. The two segments of the market that are doing the poorest are the South and the Midwest. So again, overall, all doing well, but the West and the Northeast doing the best in the market there. Pending home sales, which is a forward-looking index. During the month of May, pending home sales hit the highest number that it's been in the last 9 years. So expect to see the momentum of the first half of the year carry on well into the second half of the year also, as those sales are in escrow and haven't closed yet. So again, good activity nationwide. Let's move on and see what's happening. Oh, back to nationwide. So foreign investment. During 2015, the first half of the year, the number of sales to foreign investors has dropped quite a bit, dropped about 10% compared to a year ago. But the average price has gone up quite a bit. So we're seeing less sales, but at much higher dollar amounts there. The overwhelming largest source of foreign investment is Chinese. I think they are expected to be about $28 billion for 2015. That's more than the second, third, or fourth place countries combined, which is Canada, Mexico, India. So that's more than all of them combined there. So we're seeing a lot more investment from Chinese investors in the U.S. there. Let's move on to what's happening locally here. For the first half of the year in the South Coast, South Santa Barbara area here, the total active listings has increased about 9%. The number sold increased 20%, and total sold volume increased 27% for the first half of the year. Median price was almost unchanged, which is actually surprising. It feels like prices are sort of going up more than the median indicates. The median price is $876,500, which is $1,500 more than it was a year ago. Average price is up 6% compared to a year ago. So our new average price for the South Coast is $1,481,085. So that's where we're at there. Montecito, one of the stronger markets out here, we haven't seen the increase in inventory. Inventory is actually down slightly compared to a year ago, but virtually unchanged. Number sold is up 9%. Sold volume up 25% to $475 million. Median sales price up 10% to $2,950,000, and average sales price up 15%, or almost to $4 million for the average sales price. It's $3,926,000. So booming market at the highest end of the market there in Montecito. So where are we now just most currently? For the month of June for the Santa Barbara area here, number of new listings, 277. That is up considerably compared to the last several years for this time. It's up about 15% compared to the last few years at the same time there. The number sold, nearly identical with last year. We had 178 sales during the month of June, and last year we had 179. Those are both a little bit down compared to where we were the previous 2 years, which was 194 and 190 sales. So again, pretty consistent. Pending sales, though, is up compared to last year. We've got 200 pending sales compared to 188 last year. So again, forward looking, it looks pretty good. Montecito, number of new listings up quite a bit. 48 new listings during the month of June. That is significantly more than we've had the last couple of years. The number sold, 25, very consistent with this time the last 3 years. Pretty much that's exactly about where we've been averaging. Disappointingly, pending sales, 19, that's less than we've had the last couple of years. So we need still more good inventory to boost the number of sales there. So again, overall markets looking very, very good going into the second half of the year.